guys, it's Arjun, and today, if I didn't tell you when I tasted that popsicle like last year or so, I meant to say I'm starting a taste testing series, and here's the second one. Oh yeah, here's another big announcement. I got a dog. Say hello to Bella. She is a little poodle. I think that's what it's called. Oh, and she is hungry and she cannot have that food that I have set for her. I mean, no, not her. Me. And, no. Okay, it is running. Okay, that's funny. It's a chicken burger with lettuce, of course the chicken bun, and ketchup, and cheese, and the patty. Oh yeah, and if you can't see me, it's because of my furry friend. No, don't go. Okay, guys. I want to eat this, Bella.
Which is still not so bad. You got $900 more. You have $26,900.
I'll be right back.
How do we earn the other 11?
I'll be right back. I need to check my head.
I supplied every army with Salvation Army. And they remember things on Lord of War. Tonight at 9 on TV.
A routine that includes vitamins and minerals can help boost your healthy lifestyle. Centrum supports your health with vitamins from A to Z.
Who is it?
Season after season.
No, after. After, Gian, after. I'm making a YouTube video.
Sophie accidentally ordered just one dipping sauce. So
Yeah, I got my
even
dog.
if they start talking to each other again, they'll just
Okay, guys, I'm sorry, guys. Had to see a burger. Okay.
I'm so hungry.
I rate this. I rate this a 7 out of 10. It's pretty good. Okay, guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, smash that like button, and we'll see you all next time, guys. Bye.
Protecting 100%